Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unfriend on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, then choose your another account. Okay, and click on top left profile and scroll down. Okay, tap on menu option, click on friends. Okay, click on your friends and show your all friends and choose someone. Just click three dot option and tap on unfriend, then unfriend on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.